In this video, I will show you how you can sync your Substack posts to a Webflow site. So I have these two posts over here in my Substack account, and this is my Webflow CMS collection, Substack post. So this collection is will carry all my Substack posts, and once the data is in a collection, you can easily build a site. So and then these two posts. So let's go to each post. So this post has all this rich text, and I will show you this rich text is synced as is to the Webflow site, and also including the image of the post. So here is my Webflow CMS collection. So this is my first post, and as you can see here, this rich text field in Webflow has exactly the same content as on the Substack post. And as you make changes on the Substack, so those changes are automatically sent to Webflow CMS, and in turn, which reflects on your site. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this using Byteline sync. So let's go to the Byteline console. So here I already have this sync which is running. So I'm just going to delete this so that I can show you how to build this. So let's go to the dashboard. So so the way it works is, so we will use Substack's RSS feed. And the way you get to the RSS feed is very simple. So this is my account profile name on Substack. So you just type the URL and end it with feed. So this is the RSS feed of your account. And as you make new posts or make any changes in the post, so those are reflected in this RSS feed. And we will use this RSS feed to sync data to Webflow. So, so the first step is RSS, and then the second app is Webflow. Next. So here we will just copy and paste this feed URL. There's no username password that is required. And I already have connection to my Webflow account. So we will sync it to a CMS collection, and this is my site. So we are going from this RSS feed to my, this is my CMS collection where all the posts live. So we will sync the existing data and future changes. So what it means is, so before the sync goes live, it's gonna sync all the existing data, and then it will make the sync live. And so what that enable you to do is, as you make changes in the Substack, so that will update the Webflow site. And this is the field mapping screen. So here we are mapping each field from the RSS feed to the Webflow CMS collection. And enclosure URL has the image URL. So this is what I'm going to map to the main image, and everything else is linked correctly. Okay, so let's continue. For the direction of syncing existing data, so it will go from the RSS to Webflow. So you don't have to change anything on this screen. Continue. Here we are generating the preview. So we will get all the data from RSS feed from Substack and Webflow, and then compare it, and then tell you like what all data will be changed on the Webflow CMS. And then you don't have to start with the blank CMS collection on Webflow. You can have existing data, and if existing data is there, we'll merge the changes, and it will tell you like how many updates and creates will happen. So now let's start the sync. It's syncing the historical data at this point, so which means the data that already exists. And after that, the sync is now live. So now as you make changes in the in your Substack account, so this will be sent to Webflow. So that's it for this demo. So we do offer 2 weeks free trial. So please give it a try for your use case.